Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking poetry to the next level by turning vivid poetic words into equally stunning visuals using Midjourney. Whether you're a poet, an artist, or simply a creative thinker, this video will show you how to use Midjourney to make your poems leap off the page and into the visual world. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for extra tips, sample prompts, and resources to make your journey smoother. Let's dive in. Emotions are the lifeblood of poetry, and Midjourney allows us to capture those feelings with the perfect combination of light and color. Think about the hues that reflect the mood of your poem. Now, for this example, we'll visualize a bittersweet poem about a quiet sunrise after a storm. A blend of calm, hope, and a lingering touch of sadness. Now let's set up the prompt right over here to bring this poetic moment to life. Okay, let's send this right about now. As the image renders a couple of other C4 rendered images in the process, think about how you can layer additional details into your poetry visuals. Now notice how the balance between color and objects here with the details amplifies the mood for this results later on. So it all depends on the results. So let's give it a moment to see how Midjourney would interpret this one. And as you can see right here, as it's currently rendering, there we go. Look at that. So the pastel tones in the sky and the soft glow of the lantern right here capture that perfect balance between peace and melancholy. This is actually a great starting point, but it depends on you. Just feel free to tweak the colors and or add more elements to reflect your poem's unique tone. Here's another one right here. It matches with the details from the prompt that I just submitted to Midjourney. And lastly, this one. Kind of prefer this one. Poetry often dives into abstract ideas like love, freedom, or even time. Turning these concepts into visuals can be challenging, but Midjourney's surreal capabilities make it easier. Now let's try visualizing the passage of time as if it's a river weaving through the landscape of memories and such. Well, this will be a powerful metaphor for a poetic theme. So I'll guide you through this setup right here. Simply just craft it together your prompt, paste it down here. There we go. With the details, go gold and silver light, then surreal rock formations resembling human faces, then ethereal otherworldly. Okay, now let's send this off right about now. So, as it's currently processing from Midjourney right here, I'm actually quite excited to see how Midjourney transforms this metaphor into something visual. Just keep an eye on how the interplay of light and texture communicates the abstract concept. Let's give it a moment, and as it's currently done, wait for a bit. Over here, it's almost done. And here we go. The rendering's complete. Look at this with each of the results here. The river glows like a thread of memory. There's the human-like rock formations here that add a surreal yet deeply emotional element. Over here, another one, just as I detailed here. See? So these are the kind of images that perfectly complements poetry about the passage of time. Sorry about that. So experiment with the weirdness through the setting right here. Just feel free if you'd like. And you can also add more variety if you want to highlight specific features. Now, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We post tips and tutorials like this every week. Also, a quick like on this video helps others discover it. So, thank you in advance. Nature has inspired poets for centuries, and with Midjourney right over here, you can take those vivid descriptions to another level. Now, imagine a poem about a misty forest at sunrise, and where the light dances through the trees, symbolizing hope in a time of darkness. Now, since I've crafted my prompt on that, let me just guide you. I firstly paste this right over here just to bring this vision to life. Here are all the details with what I just stated, some additional ones, make it more ethereal, also peaceful and magical. All right, then send it off right about now. Okay, while it's currently rendering, just remember the key to this prompt is capturing the play of light and shadow to reflect the forest's mystical quality. So now let's give Midjourney just quite a few seconds or maybe just a minute to generate the perfect nature-inspired visual. Okay, now be patient. This might take a while, but not too long, as expected. Here we go. We're just nearing to seeing the results from the rendered images from Midjourney. It'll take a couple of seconds just to make the image quality clearer on this. So as you can see right here, it's quite glowing. Each of the pictures. Alrighty. This is quite stunning actually. As you can see, the golden light breaking through the mist right over here creates a magical effect, while the tall trees provide a sense of calm and mystery. Here's another one right here with what I just described from the prompt. Another one right here. See? So these images could easily accompany a poem about renewal or discovery. So once again, just feel free to adjust the variety to explore different interpretations of the mist or light. Right up here, one more. I'm quite satisfied with these results. See? Lastly, let's dive into dreamlike experimental poetry. These types of poems thrive on surreal and otherworldly imagery, and now Midjourney is perfect for this. Now imagine a floating island that is surrounded by cascading waterfalls glowing under the light of a full moon. So this visual will pair beautifully with the poem about escapism or the subconscious. Now let me guide you simply. You just crafted your prompt together with all the details and then paste it down here. There we go. Simple as that. You see, want it to be fantastical and dreamlike around the atmosphere. More glowing edges. There we go. Here, what I just stated earlier. And now, once more, let's send this off. Now, when creating surreal dreamscapes, it's all about layering unexpected elements, like a floating island and glowing waterfalls, just like I stated, just to evoke wonder, that is. And now, let's wait for Midjourney's interpretation of this poetic vision. So, once again, this might take a bit more time, but not to worry. This will not take quite long as you'd expect. Just wait for a bit. All right, here we go. So, here are the final results of the rendered images. Let's take a look at each of these. And okay, this is quite breathtaking, to be honest. With one right here, the floating island and the glowing moon that created a truly fantastical image. There we go, waterfalls. So, yep, this is a perfect match for poems exploring dreamlike or introspective themes. Now, once again, you can always increase the variety to push the surreal aspect even further. It depends on you if you want to adjust that. So, for me, this looks pretty good, I must say. And that's a wrap. Now, Midjourney makes it easy to bring your poetic ideas to life with visuals that enhance the meaning behind your words. Now, remember to check the pinned comment once again for extra prompts and tips to keep refining your skills. And thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.